how to use the keyword section in Rank Lightning. Now, what you can do is you can close down the sidebar. You can come over here to the big green button. Now, with Rank Lightning, you're able to look for known keywords. You're able to generate ideas, so look at keyword variations, and you're also able to pull keywords from a website. So perhaps your competitor, you want to have a look at their URL or a domain. You can do it all. I'm going to walk you through each one. First thing, location. You can type in the location you want, or you can load the location from a project. So simply click on that button there. I'm going to load it from this donut here, and I'm going to look at the known keywords. Now, the known keywords that I'm going after are roofer Miami and roofing Miami, roofing company. Let's do that one, Miami. So this is a known. Then you hit the create button. Now, it normally takes a couple of seconds. All right, so once you've generated the keywords there, all you'll need to do is go over to the view, click on the view, and then up pops all of this information here. Now, by default, you'll be shown the highest search volume for the month. Now, we're looking at this monthly. We've also got the search trend. So this information here, if you hover over the trend line, you're going to actually be able to see the data numbers, like data points. So you can look at that and be like, oh, there was a bit of a spike here. Was this seasonal? You can have a look at the actual numbers. Competition metrics, medium. So the competition index, you can see that it's sitting around, like it's quite challenging to go after. The CPC, you can have a look at that and be like, okay, well, this is the average sort of point. However, when we have included the high top of page, so we've shown you, hey, this is what it is to actually get up top. Perhaps you're looking at doing CPC, and here's the low. So you have that information there now. Now, with all of these, I'll show you the basic stuff to begin with. So you can turn columns on and off if you want. Simply click on this grid tool here, the sideways hamburger menu. You can turn columns off. If you don't want to look at the cost per click at all, turn it off. You can export all of the keywords. Now, what you'll need to do is click that. Make sure that all of them are selected, and then you can simply hit the export button and you'll see the notification pop up once the keywords have been downloaded by a CSV. That's how you can do that. You can also delete all of the this keyword run that you want. Maybe you put in the wrong keywords and you just want to delete it. You can delete it from in here. Now, the other thing you can do is save stuff to your project. So these are two good keywords that I'd want to save to my project, the roofing project that I created. So I can click on both of these because this is my main keyword that I'm trying to win. And then this is a good keyword that I maybe should be looking at, seeing how there's 1,000 extra searches. So I hit the save keyword. Now it's going to pop up the project. So if you have a list of projects, you'll show whatever project you want, and then it will filter by page. So the roof of Miami, that's why I save via the keywords. And now these keywords are assigned to that file. So when you start wanting to track them, when we incorporate the tracking, you'll be able to monitor their performance. Let me show you the keyword variations, keyword ID feature. So I'm going to type in the location this time. So I can go in Florida and then I'll pick that up. English, stock standard, and then keyword IDs from a keyword. So if I go roofer, Miami, that should be enough. Now you can enter up to 20 for this. You can enter up to 20 and it's one per line, and then we run it. Now you'll click view, and what you're going to have is all of this additional information in here. Now you can see here's our main keyword that we utilize. You can see all of these additional variations, Miami roofing services, all of these. Now you can expand on the page view, and then you can obviously filter through the pages. And like I was saying before, you can easily export. Just come over here, click on that, select all 51. So then you're selecting all of them, not just the page, not just the ones that are on this page. Export those keywords. Happy days. And the final thing I'll show you is the keyword ideas from a site or the URL. So all you need to do is change out the site, paste in the domain in there, and hit create. And that will pull in ranking keywords associated with that domain to help give you additional ideas. Cool bananas. Here's some ideas. So again, if you're like, oh, shingle roofers, I want to add that, or roof replacement, that's a great, no, roofing construction company. Great, cool bananas. I'm going to have a look at that. I'm going to actually add that into the tool. So you'll click on that. You'll come up here to the save keyword. And again, it's as simple as just finding your project. Yep. Finding the corresponding page that you want to link that keyword to, and then hit submit. And now all of those keywords will be in there. That's how you use the keyword research tool.